hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Boke and welcome to Boke's World. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And guys, we are almost 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. On today's episode, we are going to learn how to cook wet fried fish. And now let's start. Wash your fish, remove unnecessary parts, it's optional. Then massage your fish with salt and lemon, though it's optional. If you don't have lemon, you can massage it with salt. When you are cooking all it's ready, deep fry your fish like this. This is how my fish looks like after deep frying. For my paste, I'm going to use dhania, 1 Royco cube, garlic paste, 2 big tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of coconut, 3 tablespoons of fresh milk, half hoho, and 1 big onion. That is what I'm going to use. Add your onions in the pot. Fry the onions until golden brown. We are going to add garlic paste, though it's optional. But if you don't like garlic, you can use only onions. For me, I like my fish with garlic. It slaps differently. After frying our onions and garlic, now we're going to add tomatoes. Cook your tomatoes. Add salt to taste, one tablespoon of soy sauce, and mix well. Add your mixture of milk and coconut. Add your hoho. Add Royco cube. For me, I'm going to add 1 Royco cube, so it will depend with the size of your fish. This is how my paste looks like. Add dhania or coriander, then mix well with your paste. And now this is the final result. Add your fried fish. Like that. And our fish is ready. My fish now, it's ready. I'm going to serve it with ugali and sukuma wiki. If you have enjoyed watching this video, comment down below what you'd like us to cook on our next video. Like, comment, share, and turn your notification bell on so when I post our next video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Thank you so much.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me